Greetings from Washington, D.C. My name is Anoop Parikh. I'm with EVcharging. I just stepped out of the National Multifamily Housing Council meeting here in D.C. this week. Want to take a moment to remind folks of an incentive that often gets overlooked and missed, and that is the federal tax credit for alternative fueling infrastructure, which of course includes my favorite electric vehicle charging infrastructure, charging stations. It is basically a 30% tax credit on your EV charging project. So you will get on up to 30% on a $100,000 project. So that would be $30,000 in tax savings that you can apply. So more commonly, a multifamily project looking at a minimum of 2 parking spaces to electrify roughly costs around $20,000. You'd be benefiting from a $6,000 tax credit in that scenario. So if you'd love to learn more, reach out to me. I'll have my contact information below. And of course, just want to make sure that if you are a multifamily project, you have something to take advantage of this year before December 31st. So again, reach out. Anoop with EVcharging. Cheers from Washington, D.C.